Hello and welcome. We're going to show you this vehicle here from Chausson today. This is a special anniversary line 798, probably done for the 798th anniversary of the company. That was just a little joke of mine. It's 739 centimeters in length, and we're going to have a quick look at it right now. So Fiat Ducato, it's got a face-to-face arrangement up here in the salon. Of course, it's got face-to-face arrangement. It means that there'll be a chair under there which will pop up out, and that will allow you to go in that direction with a seatbelt on when the vehicle is in motion. And when you're sitting down around here, you put this chair there and you can comfortably sit in front of whoever it is you're sitting in front of. Small window on that side, and on this side there's a bigger window. Kitchen, it comes with 2 burners and a sink, as you can see here, and under it of course there is a bit of storage down there. There's a step up here, but before we get to the step, we've got the fridge, and as we come in here we've got more storage as well, and more up there. I think that's meant to be for the television, though I'm not quite certain of that one, because it seems to be difficult to actually watch the television when it was there, wasn't it? Oh, you pull it out. Yes, I knew there'd be some trick to it. Right, here we've got a shower, got 2 drainage points. It's got one of these non-slip sort of surfaces, or anti-slip, or slip prevention, whatever you call it. It's got a tray with bumps in, put it that way. It's also got a place to sort of sit down on that ledge whilst you're trying to get your feet clean. And in here we will find the toilet. I can close the door off like that if I don't want to see anybody else in the other room. And there's a sink there, and there's a lot of mirrors. That's quite nice. Also, you want to close this off somewhere around, there'll be a door. There you go, there it is. This comes across like that to hide yourself whilst you're in the toilet. This is a bed. This is a double bed. It'll move up and down. Indeed, I can walk around here. You can see there's a reasonable amount of space there. Up here we will find a wardrobe. Well, it would be a wardrobe if we took these things out and put a bar inside, so it's a sort of wardrobe. It's a wardrobe with shelves. How's that? How's about that? There'll be one over there as well. At the back here we've got storage, and under this bed there is the garage. And there's the garage. You can see the garage from out here. So you want to have a quick peek at what you've got in the garage, then you can just have to lift this up. Also, you can see possibly a bit of the mechanism for making the thing go up and down, but we'll see that when we get to the garage. Probably they've taken the fuses out, so we won't be able to play with it, but I can understand that because people come inside these vehicles at these events, play with the things, and then they break them, right? Such as me. Open this up like this, and I'm going to walk out right now, and and now we can see what it looks like in here, and we can, as I said, raise this up a bit as well. I've got also entrance to the garage from the rear, and let's now come back to the front to sort of finish this very quick thing off. Window in the door, storage to the door, keep the dog's lead in there. There you go, Chausson Anniversary Edition. I don't know what the price is, but I'm gonna get look at that. It says it up here, and guess how much I was going to say. Oh dear, after a while you sort of learn these things. 71,000, and you know, after it just becomes obvious. I wish I'd said it, and then but anyway, you wouldn't have believed me anyway. It's with this 140 horsepower, 103 kW, and it comes with these packets as well. With you've got the awning, the solar, and 2 batteries. 2 batteries. I hope that means 2 habitation batteries. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. Upload every day 21:15. If you want to see more videos of this nature, then that's the place to do it. As it says new, and that's what the vehicle is, because I have never seen this version of this vehicle before. For the moment, thanks for watching, bye for now.